I learned English, and to improve my speaking, I decided to talk on camera every single day until get fluency. Today, let's go day number 54. I'm continue doing TOEFL speaking test, questions is really good, and first question, what I want to talk, do you prefer using public transportation or having a private vehicle for your daily commute? I definitely use only public transportation, because first of all, I don't have a private car, I don't have my own car, and I don't use a taxi, because first, taxi is super expensive for using, I'm a student, and every single day get to my university by taxi, too much money. I'm not so rich yet. Everyone in Russia, all the students use only subway and bus. We don't have our own car like Russian students, because we don't need this. In Moscow, the cheapest, the fastest way is only public transportation system. Great developed here, I love it. In the second task in TOEFL, guys, I need to express opinion, what I've heard in some conversation. And before this, I read a text about this theme. Today's theme, well, it was about university voting, university election. Situation that university management, they decided to change a place of voting, of getting this election. And previously it was in the library, but they decided to replace it into the cafeteria, because in library always a lot of students, and just not to make noise and not to disturb them, distract from the studying. And the elections will be end pretty early, at 8 or at 9 p.m. and students, they express opinion, not satisfied with this at all, because they'd better vote in the library actually, because yeah, a lot of students there in the library, and it's really simple for them just to make this vote and continue studying, instead of going to another part of campus, to cafeteria, and spend a lot of time. So many students, he guessed, so many students not gonna vote because of this reason. And the second is that about time, yeah, it's too early for students. And the cafeteria is located nearby to dormitory, so if it will be a little bit later, not at 8, maybe till 10 p.m., it will be more comfortable, because the student can go out from dorm, make a vote, and go to home. But it's too early. They need to go from the campus, from the study, from the library to this place. Not comfortable for them. How does Van Gogh's work, particularly Starry Night, exemplify the post-impressionism movement? Yeah, it was text and lecture about post-impressionism, a new side of art appeared in France in 19th century, and changes what Van Gogh's brought about in this new movement of art is that he decided to make the art works full of colors, full of bright lights. I don't know, not only paint particularly strictly realistic symbols, realistic works, but make it more fantastic, make some new feelings into this, put some, I don't know, hidden meaning in this paint works. So it's not so simple to understand what is going on in this picture, because it always colors not natural. It's more brightful, with more expression, some emotions. This is what Van Gogh's work was about. Last task, I need to explain the concept of hidden curriculum and how it contributes to inequalities and the educational system. It is something extra activities, extra lessons in the schools, when children not really maybe realize that it's some lesson, but teachers they teach them new rules in their behavior, bring some changes in their way of study, way of learning, of memorizing something. In general, it's not about some specifically subject at school. It's about life in general. it can help them, students, to change their attitudes towards the educational, develop this. They're gonna take it more seriously. They're gonna know how to learn, how to behave in school, how to interact with the other people, with their peers, with their teachers, and understand the value of all this educational system. All right, guys, day number 54. I will go. I planning to play football today, but the weather is suck. Really, it's outside, like it's snowing. I don't know. All right, let's go.